2020 was not the greatest year for business. The bigger question is, what will you do in 2021? A new platform threatens to turn the world of digital marketing on its head, offering fully AI automated promotion of your business. Gain access to tools like guaranteed traffic to your site, web page building with hosting, SEO, domain names, image creation, automated lead gen, and so much more. You've never seen anything like this, because there's never been anything like this. Ever wish you could manage all your marketing, team building, or lead gen from one state-of-the-art centralized platform? What if that platform was so artificially intelligent that it did it all for you? Well, that's exactly what this is. For a very limited time, you can become a founder of this amazing platform. Becoming a founder places you in the unique position to share in the rewards that literally millions of retail users will generate. Simply click or tap the button or link provided to learn how.
Do it! Just do it! Don't let your dreams be dreams. Yesterday you said tomorrow. So just do it! Make your dreams come true. Just do it! Some people dream of success, and you're going to wake up and we're going to work hard at it. Nothing is impossible. You should get to a point where anyone else will quit. And you're not going to stop there. No, what are you waiting for? Just do it! Just do it! Yes, you can. Just do it. If you're tired of starting over, stop giving up.